B first question. If the quadratic equations ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0 and ax square plus 2cx plus b equal to 0 have a common root, then show that a plus 4b plus 4c equal to 0. So here two equations are given. For those two equations, one common root is there. So if that is the common root of those two equations, then we need to find out the required condition. Directly I am taking two equations. So first equation, ax square plus bx 2bx plus c equal to 0. ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0, equation 1, and ax square plus 2cx plus b equal to 0. This is equation number 2. So these two equations are having common roots. Let alpha is the common root of equation 1 and 2. So there is a common root for equation 1 and 2. I am taking it as alpha. So alpha is the root of equation 1 and 2. Alpha must satisfy the equation 1 and 2. So this alpha substituting in equation 1, a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c equal to 0. Alpha substitute in second equation, a alpha square plus 2c alpha plus b equal to 0. So subtracting equations, minus, a alpha square getting cancelled, 2b alpha minus 2c alpha plus c minus b bringing outside, minus b bringing outside plus b minus c. So 2 common, alpha common, b minus c equal to b minus c. Both sides b minus c cancel. 2 alpha equal to 1 implies alpha equal to 1 by 2. This alpha equal to 1 by 2 is the common root. Alpha equal to 1 by 2 is root of equation 1 and 2. Alpha is the common root of equation 1 and 2. So this 1 by 2 must satisfy equation 1 and 2. So I want to substitute in equation 1. Put alpha equal to 1 by 2 in 1. A of 1 by 2 whole square plus 2b of 1 by 2 plus c equal to 0. So these two cancel. A 1 square 1, 2 square 4 plus b plus c equal to 0. So I want to multiply with 4. All sides a plus 4b plus 4c equal to 0. So this is the required condition. Next, second question. If x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0 and x square minus 12x plus p equal to 0 have a common root, find p. So I want to write the equations. X square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0, equation 1, and x square minus 12x plus p equal to 0 have a common root. So equation 1 and 2 are having common roots. So if we observe equation 1, I can easily find out two roots. First I want to find x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0, x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 equal to 0. X common, x minus 5. In this minus 1 common, x minus 5. If we take x minus 5 common, x minus 1 equal to 0. Either x equal to 1 or 5. So equation 1 having roots 1 and 5. So equation 2 and 1 having common root. Common means it contains only two roots. Between those two roots, so one root must contain this one. So either 1 is common root of equation 2 or 5 is the common root of equation 2. So if x equal to 1 is common root. Common root means this x equal to 1 satisfy equation 2. So put in this 1 square minus 12 into 1 plus p equal to 0. 1 minus 12 plus p equal to 0. P equal to 11. If x equal to 1 common root, we got p equal to 11. If x equal to 5 is the root, is common root, what happen? So we need to substitute 5 is the root of equation 2. So 5 square minus 12 into 5 plus p equal to 0. 5 square 25 12 into 5 60 plus p equal to 0. P minus 35 equal to 0. P equal to 35. So if 1 is the common root, p equal to 11. 5 is the common root, p equal to 35. Therefore p equal to 11 comma 35. Next, similar kind of problem, third one. So the third one is, if x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0 and x square minus 3ax plus 35 equal to 0 have a common root, then find alpha. So equations, x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0 and x square minus 3ax plus 35 equal to 0. Equation 1, 2. So equation 1 and 2 having common roots. So x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. So in the previous problem also this equation same. So x minus 1 into x minus 5 equal to 0. No need to write this one entirely. So I want to simply write x minus 1 of x minus 5, 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5 are the roots of equation 1. So equation 1 containing only two roots, 1 or 5. Either 1 is the root of equation 2 or 5 is the root of equation 2. So if 1 is common root, so 1 is common root, 1 must satisfy equation 1. 1 square minus 3a of 1 plus 35 equal to 0. Minus 3a plus 36 equal to 0. 36 equal to 3a. A equal to 36 by 3 equal to 12. Next, if 5 is the common root, if 5 is common root, what happens? 5 is the root of this one. 5 square minus 3a into 5 plus 35 equal to 0. 5 square 25 minus 3a into 5 minus 15a plus 35 equal to 0. So 15a equal to 35 plus 25 60. A equal to 4. So therefore a equal to 4 comma 12. So if 1 is the common root, a value 12. If 5 is the common root, a value 4. So therefore the choices of a is 4 comma 12. So next, question number 4. If we take question number 4, if the equations x square plus ax plus b, x square plus ax plus b equal to 0, equation 1. Next, another equation, x square plus cx plus d equal to 0, equation 2. So these two are the equation, have a common root, and first equation has equal roots. So this equation have common root. These two equations have common root. So equation 1 and 2 have common roots, and equation 1 has equal roots. So if roots are equal, discriminant is equal to 0. First equation, roots equal. Roots of equation 1 are equal. So b square minus 4ac. So in this b, a, b, c different, b square, discriminant delta equal to 0. A square, b square is nothing but instead of b, a minus 4, a equal to 1, c equal to b. So the places are different. Again, so b square minus 4ac, instead of b it is a square minus 4 into, instead of a here it is x square coefficient 1, instead of c we are having b. So a square minus 4b equal to 0, a square equal to 4b. A square equal to 4b. Now the root x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b, in this minus a, discriminant 0 plus or minus 0 by 2a, 2 into 1, 2. So root is minus a by 2. So this equation containing two roots, those two roots are also minus a by 2 comma a by 2. Minus a by 2 is the only root of equation 1. minus a by 2 is the only root of equation 1. So definitely this is the root of equation 2. So therefore minus a by 2 is root of equation 2. So substitute in this equation minus a by 2 whole square plus c into minus a by 2 plus d equal to 0. So squaring a square by 4 minus ac by 2 plus d equal to 0. So already what we know, a square equal to 4b. A square equal to 4b. 4b by 4 minus ac by 2 plus d equal to 0. So minus ac by 2 bringing outside, d 4 cancel, b plus d equal to ac by 2. Cross multiplication, 2 of b plus d equal to ac. Second bit, fifth question. If c square not equal to ab and the roots of c square minus ab of x square minus 2 of a square minus bc of x plus b square minus ac equal to 0 are real, then show that a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc or a equal to 0. So this is the given quadratic equation. The roots of this equation is equal to 0. I want to compare with a general quadratic equation. The general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. But here already these are in terms of small a, small b, small c. So to avoid confusion, I am taking capital letters. Capital A equal to c square minus ab. Capital B equal to minus 2 of a square minus bc. Capital C equal to b square minus ac. So these are capital A, capital B, capital C. Now if this quadratic equation containing roots are equal, roots are equal, the discriminant is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b equal to this one, minus 2 of a square minus bc whole square minus 4 of a c square minus ab c b square minus ac equal to 0. Square of negative positive, 2 square 4. So a minus b whole square formula, a square whole square a power 4 plus bc whole square b square c square. Now 2ab 2 a square bc minus 4 of c square into b square c square, I will write in order, c square into ac minus ac cube minus ab into b square minus ab cube minus into minus plus a square b c equal to 0. In this 4 taking common and bringing right side. So I don't want to write a 4. A power 4 plus b square c square minus 2a square bc minus b square c square minus into minus plus a c cube minus into minus plus a b cube minus into plus minus a square bc equal to 0. So b square c square getting cancelled. A power 4 next plus a power 4 plus b cube plus a b cube I am taking, next plus a c cube, next one minus 2 a square bc minus a square bc minus 3 a square bc equal to 0. In this all I am taking a common. If we are taking a common, a cube, in this a common b cube plus in this a common c cube minus a common minus 3abc equal to 0. Either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. This minus 3abc bringing outside, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So this is the solution. Next, exercise 3c. In exercise 3c, first bit, first question we are taking. If we are taking first bit, first question, solve the following inequations by algebraic method. So first one, 15x square plus 4x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So 15x square plus 4x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. I want to factorize 15 into 4, 60. 15 into 4, 60. So we should take 4. 15 into 4 equal to 60. 10 into 6 equal to 60. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. 15x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. 15x, 15, 10. 5 common, x common. So 3x plus 2. In this I am taking minus 2 common, 3x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. 3x plus 2 taking common, 5x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 when x equal to minus 2 by 3. 5x minus 2 equal to 0 when x equal to 2 by 5. Less than or equal to 0 means which should lies between. X should lies between. Since it is equal, we should take a closed bracket. So minus 2 by 3 to 2 by 5. So this is the required answer. So x should be lies between minus 2 by 3 to 5 by 2 by 5. Next, second, x square minus 2x plus 1 less than 0. So x square minus 2x plus 1 less than 0. I want to write this one, x square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square less than 0. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, x minus 1 whole square less than 0. So less than 0 means it should be lies between. It should be lies between 1 to 1. There won't be any real number which lies between 1 to 1. So x belong to 1 comma 1, but it is not possible. So there won't be any real number between 1 comma 1. So x equal to 5. So there is no real number satisfying this condition. Next, third. So coming to the third question, 2 minus 3x minus 2x square. So greater than or equal to 0. 2 minus 3x minus 2x square greater than or equal to 0. I want to multiply with negative 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So greater than will become less than or equal to 0. 2 into 2, 4. 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. In these two terms I am taking 2 common, x common. 2 and x common. Remaining x plus 2. In these two terms minus 1 common, x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. In these two terms we are taking x plus 2 common. If we are taking x plus 2 common, 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 when x equal to minus 2. 2x minus 1 equal to 0 when x equal to 1 by 2. So it is, since it is less than, it should be lies between x belong to. So equal, so we should keep closed bracket. So smaller value minus 2, bigger value 1 by 2. So the interval x belong to minus 2 comma 1 by 2. Next, fourth one. If we are taking fourth one, x square minus 4x minus 21. X square minus 4x minus 21, which is greater than or equal to 0. So which is greater than or equal to 0. 21 I want to factorize. 21 equal to 7 into 3. X square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 greater than or equal to 0. X common, x minus 7 plus 3 common, x minus 7 greater than or equal to 0. In these two terms x minus 7 common, remaining x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So if we are taking the values of x, so this is minus 3, this is 7 greater than, so it doesn't lies between minus 7 and 3. X does not lies between minus 3 comma 7. This is 0, 8 minus 3. This is 0, 8 plus 7. So since it is equal, we should consider closed bracket, but here we are taking not belong to, that's why we are writing open bracket. Or else x belong to minus infinity to minus 3, closed symbol, infinity we choose open symbol, union. 7 to infinity, infinity we are taking open symbol, so it is including, so closed 7 comma 3. Either this one or this one, both are same.